Hello friends, welcome you on my channel Afflex Education, which will provide you 360-degree education. So, I request you, please see full video and like and subscribe so that you can see my next video based on MySQL. Today, we will learn how to install MySQL compiler on Android mobile phone. So, uh, we need to learn more and more SQL based applications and practice on the mobile. Who had not have the PC and laptops and all, they can learn and install the things. So we will go Play Store and search ASQL and download it. Select this first option and download it and install it. After the installation, yes, open the app, click on open, and you can see here a window is displayed where we put the name of the user and email ID. Put the email ID. After putting the email ID, so one window will display. You can see here I press this and press OK. Start. Now you can see a menu window is on left side, on top corner, right side my test is there, and when you see the window is like that, query is there. You can see click on the window, query, tables, views, databases, about, and exit. So you can see when you are writing the something on query, select on the query. First of all, you can select and write down here, so databases. So databases, if database is available, so it will display. If so databases, if available, then display. Otherwise you can see there is no database here. Now we need to create a database with the help of query. Which one query we are using? Create database and name of the database. Create database, database the keyword, and put here the database and name of the database, that is tybcom here, and put the semicolon and press enter key. So you can see database is created successfully. So now you can use the query to using that database, use tybcom. We are putting tybcom either capital or small letter. There is no caps lock is compulsory. So you can see use tybcom, you can put here with the semicolon. Now you need to create a table, right? Because your database is ready. Now you need to write tables. Okay, just start writing the create how to create with the help of create query. Yes, create table, name of the table, for example emp student, whatever you want to, you can take the name of the table. Just you type the emp. In emp you can take the emp id, emp name, emp department. तो यहाँ पर मैंने यूज़ किया है eid, जैसे डेटा टाइप द इंटीजर, सो वी कैन टेक द 1 2 3. एंड ई नेम इन द सेंस क्या, डेटा टाइप इज द कैरेक्टर. ई नेम एम्प्लॉय नेम, character char char size 10 comma, and department, you can take the department. The department is also the data type is character data type, or you can take the size of 10, not more than that, because if you take the more than that, so it will create the problem when you are storing not problem, but you can say कि database is the easily you can run it, not need to more than that. And after closing the bracket, comma, and you can take the fourth column is salary, right? Write down the here salary, SALARY, salary. And here if you want to take the integer, you can, but decimal is the best thing, because in salary there is some point values also there, so you can put the decimal 7 comma 5 and we could close the bracket. 7 comma 5 in the sense what, you can take the 5 digit of इंटीजर वैल्यू, फ्लोटिंग से पहले वाले पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट तक आप पैसा मतलब रुपीज़ में पैसे ले सकते हो, मतलब 0.50 मतलब 50 पैसे फॉर एग्जांपल. सो यू कैन यूज हियर 7 comma 5. Okay, this is the meaning of that. Put the semicolon and execute it. Okay, press enter, your table will create. Yes, you can see your table is there. Now if you put the show tables query like the show tables, so you can see the tables has created will display. So tables, see, table has been displayed, and here table name is emp, and something is written here. You can say row size 4 means that is the number of columns. There are the number of columns, root range. Now your table is ready. Now you need to insert, put the insert into table name, that is emp and values, right? That is the basic queries to insert the values. So insert into emp values within bracket, integer value direct you can put the value, and if the varchar you can put in the single quotes, 1 comma you can put in the single quotes name of the employee. Yes, as I put here, one name is Satyan, comma, and department is suppose that I can take the IT department in the single quotes, and salary. So next one is salary, put in a single quotes, right? When you are putting in single quotes, so it is easily better means in the sense that is supporting for that. And money are decimal values, that is 5480.25. it is executed, and you will see the tables is ready. Now you can select query, select star from emp, semicolon emp semicolon, then execute it. Press on enter key. You can see your table has been displayed. You can see the record is there. Now I want to insert one more value into the table. Yes, just you try to insert one more value. Insert into table name in the sense, insert into emp values. Just like the above, you can put the emp id. You can write the 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want. You can write. It's not necessary whatever that is the sequence. Suppose that here I put the 5 comma name of the employee. For example, I am taking the Aditya is the one of the employee in a single quotes, right? Comma department, suppose that comma, I give the department name. Suppose that is account department, comma, and put the salary. Suppose that here I putting the 4500.78 for example, semicolon. I am executed. You can see. Now you want to see all the values. You can put select star from a student. Now select star from emp is your table, so put the semicolon. Yeah, now you can see the all your record, 2 record I inserted. You can see the 2 records is there. So your database is proper working and your query is executing. So you can enjoy with this app Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.